Bodie Hayward is also on a full ride scholarship. So every point you're making, Nigel, just doesn't make sense. And right now, Thea Hale trying to turn things around here on Ariana Grace.
Oh, look at that. There's some great technique from Grace, who is certainly a combat sports polymath. Judo, jiu-jitsu, boxing, a very dangerous competitor. Oh, wow.
Certainly a dangerous move on Thea Hale.
And Hale has to be concerned, of course, all of Chase U flying back early this morning after competing in NXT UK just last night, where Bodie Hayward came up short against Shah Samuels, a man who didn't even have his ring gear.
Well, right now, it looks like maybe some of that jet lag affecting Thea Hale. And I mean, Nigel, Thea Hale is clearly grabbing onto the ropes. Ariana Grace is going against everything she's been saying.
She's got a 5 count, that's perfectly legal.
Oh,
wow.
And absolutely punishing Thea Hale, and now Grace going for the cover on Hale, and Hale kicking out. Now you see the tenacity in the eyes of Ariana Grace.
Talking of tenacity, how about Nathan Fraser?
That's right, he's an honorary flag bearer. Oh, and now a bridge cover here, and Hale kicking out.
You call him an honorary flag bearer. I call him a glorified mascot.
What are you talking about? Nathan Fraser is an honorary Chase U student.
Tell you this, Chubby, the Chase U chipmunk, is going to be very upset if Fraser takes his place.
Nigel, I don't think that mascot was officially approved.
I'm talking about, I could see you donning the tail. Fit you perfectly.
Well, once again, Nigel, I would gladly be the Chase U mascot. I've been taking sneakerology courses there. We actually had Tinker Hatfield come in for one of our classes.
Who?
Tinker Hatfield.
That's not a real name. You just made that up.
Oh, don't you disrespect an American icon like Tinker Hatfield. Andre Chase would be very upset at you right now.
I'm talking of icons, an international icon. Oh! Now slammed into the mat as Thea Hale, the tenacious student of Chase U, back in this match.
Thea Hale usually is a ball of energy, but Ariana Grace has taken a lot out of Hale, but maybe Hale finding her opening. Hale is from Spartan blood, has that fire within her.
Blood coursing through her veins right now.
Thea Hale finding the offense she's been missing, and now here goes Hale. Oh, the agility, and now the cover on Grace. This could be it, and oh, Grace just getting that shoulder up.
Grace was able to spin out of the opposite direction from the spinning neck breaker attempt, and that's why she could kick out there.
You see Andre Chase coaching Thea Hale. Ooh.